playing domestic hockey since a long time, like almost 10-12 years. और हर टूर्नामेंट में it's been a good performance. I have not retired. I was not part of the Indian team. I don't know the reason why. But then since 2016 में तो domestic tournament actively खेल रहा हूँ और every second tournament I've been adjusted as the best player or the best forward or anything for that matter. But I think overall, apart from the prizes, I think RSPP हमारी team is doing extremely well. Since 2015, I think hardly 4 tournaments I would say कि हम semi-final में बाहर हुए. So I think it's a good this, you know, at least at this age also I am giving my best and I am still scoring, and even this tournament I had 5 goals in the tournament. So yeah, I'm happy.
What is the experience like playing with your own brother in the opposition team? How do you tackle that?
It's always good to be, you know, playing against my brother. We have this competition at home itself. So whenever PSPP, RSPP play, it's a different atmosphere at home. Of course, they are on the winning side, and I'm happy that, you know, finally the trophy is coming home. So I think either ways, you know, अगर मैं जीतूँ वो जीते एक ही बात है. But of course, as a team, we feel that RSPP was a better team in this tournament. I don't know today. Probably we didn't even play it to the potential which our team, generates. But yeah, I mean. We are sure that we'll come back stronger next year.
Acha, prior to the final, suppose you have, like in this tournament, like you both played the final in the opposition teams. Discussion क्या होता है एक दिन पहले? How do you discuss?
It's a very good atmosphere.
Parents किसको bless करते हैं, family वाले किसको bless करते हैं?
छोटा है ना तो उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा blessing मिल जाती है. तो but I think yeah, I mean it's nice, you know, it's a good atmosphere. हम लोग की भी बहुत मतलब you know नोट चोक होती रहती है, अनबन होती रहती है. एंड जैसे हम लोग कल दोनों भी सेमीफाइनल जब जीत गए थे तो वी वर लाइक यू नो चलो अभी आज कोई मिलना नहीं है, आज कोई बाहर नहीं जाना, तो कल देखते हैं कि तो है ना एक होता है ऐसा एक फेमिलियर एटमोसफियर है. बट देन इट्स नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम. हम हमेशा से यू नो वी बीन प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट ईच अदर सिंस द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई विल से. कभी सिर्फ स्टेट के लिए ऐसा होता है कि महाराष्ट्र के लिए हम साथ में खेलते हैं, बट या तो फिर वो BPCL, इंडियन रेलवेज या RSPP या PSPP. सो इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक ऑपोजिट. सो इट्स नाइस टू प्ले अगेंस्ट माई ब्रदर.
ठीक है. सो व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स फॉर द फ्यूचर? हाउ डू यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू कंटिन्यूइंग हॉकी?
I think more 2-3 years. I still have a lot of goals in my kitty, which is why I'm very confident, because as a striker my only aim is to keep scoring goals, and this is what I aim for and train for. I mean 2-3 years more I'll keep performing, I'll keep giving my best, and then probably I'll see if I want to get into the coaching part, and I don't know what future holds, but yes, I still want to play and give best I could for my team.
Do you miss being part of the Indian team? That, I mean, considering that they've been winning the bronze medals at Olympics.
Of course, you know, I think there's one saying, and which I firmly believe, that you know the hunger of playing for the country will never die. You know, आज भी अगर call आए तो you know, in fact I will start working 3 times more than what I work hard. So I mean, see, in everyone's life, to wear that India color itself is a motivation. So I think I mean of course I do miss playing, but then I'm very happy to see where our country, our team has been doing back-to-back bronze medal extremely well, and I just wish them they change the color of the medal in the coming Olympics.
And your assessment of your brother's performance in this tournament and today especially? Honest assessment.
I don't know how does it sound, but I think my brother still can walk into the team. Okay. Honestly, he doesn't need even a camp. He's at that level, the game he's playing. But I mean, the head of the Hockey India people, they decide and the coaches decide. But if you ask me, and not as a brother but as a player, he can still walk in and make his place not in the 16 but in the first 11. He's that good, because no one has from our country has ever dreamt or ever played in the EHL, which my brother did for 2 years, holding a contract of 28 lakhs a year. So I really think he can just walk into the team, but I don't know the reason behind it, but I still think he's the best midfielder the country has ever seen. And I mean, see, he's proving his best. He's been captaining the team. He's captained the team and the national championship also, where they won the finals in Pune, and he's doing well. And I always tell him that you just give your best. रेस्ट ऊपर वाले के हाथ में छोड़ दो. बट मैं यही बोलूँगा कि मैं आज भी वही बोलूँगा कि नो वन कैन बी क्लोज टू हिम. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कैन से.
प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट योर ओन ब्रदर फाइनल में कैसा लगता है, क्या होता है, फैमिली में किसकी तरफ ज़्यादा सपोर्ट होता है?
I think it's I mean, from his side, he works hard for his team and he wants to deliver and he wants to give the result to the team. And from my end, of course, my only target was to play a good hockey and showcase some good. We have some good talented boys and we have already played in past many years, so it's not something new for us. So it's in hockey. I mean, वो दूसरे टीम में जॉब करते हैं, वहाँ पे खेलते हैं. So बट ऑब्वियस है कि आपको कभी ना कभी आमने सामने आपका मुकाबला होता ही है. बट इसके पहले भी हम नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप अभी 1.5 months बैक इन पुणे वी प्लेड एंड सीनियर नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप, जहाँ पे हमने उनको शूट आउट में हराया एंड वी वन अ गोल्ड मेडल. एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस इज़ द सेकंड टूर्नामेंट एंड विच इज़ नेबर सोसाइटी 60th जो सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं एंड वी वन दिस गेम. सो इट्स एन गुड फीलिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
अच्छा, तो कैसा होता है माहौल में, जैसे फाइनल से पहले हाउ डू यू इंटरैक्ट, फैमिली व्हाट डू दे थिंक, हु डू दे सपोर्ट मोर? ही वाज टेलिंग मी कि क्योंकि यू आर यंगर, तुम छोटे हो तो नेचुरली फैमिली का थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट.
वेल आई डोंट बिलीव इन दिस कि मतलब कोई छोटे को ज़्यादा सपोर्ट होता है या कुछ भी. इट्स ओनली हॉकी. आई मीन ऑन अ गिवन डे हाउ यू प्ले, आई मीन योर परफॉर्मेंस स्पीक्स एंड of course, I mean, my brother is an inspiration for me and he is the reason I came into hockey and उन्होंने मुझे hockey में लेके आया and that's how my journey started and went on to play in the Olympic Games. So it says a lot. I mean, it's in 15 years hard work and we are still playing top hockey and that's more important.
And he says that you are easily the best midfielder at the moment, and he was saying that you can actually walk into the Indian team. You should be there in the Indian team.
I think it's been 5 years I've been hearing this, not only from my brother. I mean, there are a lot of selectors, a lot of people, my teammates, my coaches, everyone, they say and they tell me this. It's just that I enjoy my hockey. I mean, I have no pressure at all. I mean, so I have no complaints, to be honest. I mean, my hunger to play for my country will never die. I still have high hopes. I mean, at this age 32, if I can play the whole match, so you can imagine. I mean, this is my 7th tournament back to back without a change. I've played whole 60 minutes and you can see and look at the performance, and that's why the coach believes in me and they have faith in me, and that's why they made me the leader of the team, and I have delivered to my team.
You said your brother is the inspiration. तो कहाँ से हॉकी शुरू की थी? Where did you pick the
It's
hockey?
an roller coaster ride, to be honest. I mean, the journey started at the age of 7 and never thought that I will make so big in hockey. It's credit goes to my family for supporting me. They were very positive, though the circumstances were not so good at the initial age, but that belief was there, that support was there, that push was there from the family. And my brother, he supported me, and I never thought that, I mean, one day I will be playing for my country in the Olympic Games, and from last 3 years I'm playing the world's biggest hockey league, but still my talent is not been recognized. I mean, so sometimes it feels bad, but it's just that I only think one thing in my head, Dave, whenever you on the pitch, just give your best and enjoy hockey, and that's what I've been doing from so many years. And the reason for playing in Dutch Bundesliga and playing in German league, this was the reason. I mean, when I was dropped from the national team, so I decided to go abroad and play top hockey so that it wouldn't be so difficult for me to come back to the national team. But obviously, sometimes you also need a luck for that. So yeah, it's okay.
Tell us about your experience in the Dutch league. You are the only Indian.
I think firstly I'm very happy that tag has been given to me and the name I've made in Holland. And before me there were 2 Indian players who played 2 seasons in the Dutch top league, Hoofdklasse. They were Dilip Turkey and Gaganajeet, and they played 2 seasons. After that no one ever did that, so I was the one who did in 2024.